doing a reassessment video for division algorithm. So part of division is when you start with some things and give an equal amount of things to a fixed number of groups and count how many things end up in one or each group. So for a word problem, a school has 2,890 cookies. If there are 34 classrooms, how many does each classroom get? So since we're doing partitive division, we want to distribute all of the things or all of the cookies to each group or to each classroom. And partitive division is when you have a fixed number of groups and give a fixed number or count how many things are in each fixed number of groups. So we have the problem right here. So we have the 2,890 cookies in this box and the 34 groups or classrooms over there. So we ask ourselves these questions right here, so you follow along right here. Can I give 1,000 to each class? And if so, how many thousands? So let's see if we can give away 1,000 to each class. So let's see, 1,000. And we cannot do that because that is too big for the 34 groups. So no, we cannot. And then we move on to the next question. Can I give 100 to each class? If so, how many hundreds? So that is like saying, can I distribute out 100 cookies to each classroom? No, you cannot do that either, because that is like saying, does 34 go into 28? And no, it does not, because 28 is too big, too small. So the third question, can I give away 10 to each class? If so, how many tens? So that is like saying, so before we had the 1,000 here written there, then we had the 100 here, and we tried to see if we can give away 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6 to fit under this 8 to get up to 800. I know we could not do that. So now on the third question, can I give away 10 to each group? So it's like saying 10 to each classroom, 10 at a time. And can we do that? Let's see. How many tens can we give away? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We can give away 80. Can we give away 90? No, we cannot. So down here, we try and look at the multiplication problem. So that would be like 34 times 8. So that's like saying, can we give away 80 cookies to each group? And yes, we can do that because it fits under the 90. So 34 times 8 is 272. So we move this up right here, the 272, because we can give away 10 to each classroom. And how many tens? 8 tens. That is the answer to that question. So we put up, since we have 0 here, 0 here, because we tried to see how many 1,000s, see how many hundreds, and now we have an answer to one of our questions. Can we give away 10 to each group? Yes, we can. 8 tens. So to continue, 8 times 34, as we see right here, is 272. So we subtract that. That would be 1. That would be 7. And we bring down that 0 because we are asking if we can give away, how many we can give away to each classroom and how many. So now it's the same thing we did up here. So does 34 go into 170? Yes. How many times? Let's see. So now we are asking, can I give away ones to each group? And if so, how many ones? So we do the problem right here, and You need to know multiplication before doing this problem, and if not, you can look at my other videos. So 34 times 5 is actually 170. So that fits perfectly because we have 170 here, and the remaining is 0. So we bring this 5 up here just like we brought up the 8 here. We bring up this 5 right here because it fits in that single spot, and this is the 10 spot. Because we're asking ourselves, can I give away 10 to each class? If so, how many? We have 8 tens, so it'd be like 80. And can I give away 1s to each class? If so, how many 1s? 5. So that would be like saying 80 and then 5. So to answer the partitive division in the word problem, how many does each classroom get? Because we're starting with some things, and we give an equal amount of things to a fixed number of groups. So we ended up giving 85 cookies to 34 classrooms, and we divided this up equally, just like partitive division says to. So we answered that correctly, and we counted how many things are in each group, and that would be 85. So we just followed these steps, these questions, and did the different steps of the partitive division to answer a question, so that you can better understand partitive division. Thank you.